Welcome to Dataverax Episode 1, which I am calling What is Data Management? I created this presentation as an elevator pitch to explain how and why I see data management as a vital part of any modern enterprise. My name is Scott Andrews, and I am President and Practice Lead at Dataverax Corporation. I do data analytics and data management projects and also lead training seminars. To kick off our discussion on what data management is, let's step back and define data first. Data is many things to many people. Data is in motion. Data is smart. Data is vital. It is knowledge. It is the new oil. It is ubiquitous. It is king. Data is cool, and data is everywhere. But what is data really? Well, data is a representation of an event, a sale, a website visit, a tweet. Or data is a description of a person, place, or thing, a customer category, a product type, or a location. We can see what is happening right now when we look at real-time data. And any data can be aggregated and analyzed to give us a picture of a business or a customer or a situation and can help us determine where we may have problems or unsatisfied needs. Data gives us insight. Data helps us make better decisions. So in that case, what is data management? Well, when we handle data, how we do this is not accidental or a byproduct of a business process. It is deliberate and managed. When we do it this way, our insights into data can be shared and understood across our enterprise. It is this sharing and understanding that makes data management a vital part of modern business practice. Data management is the programs and the practices that allow for the shared understanding in your organization. Data management has some important goals. We want to capture and store data for the organization in a way that is effective and organized. We want to ensure integrity and quality of our data so that it is trusted and truly represents our business. We want to protect the confidentiality of data for all stakeholders. And finally, we want to protect data from unauthorized access as well. Data governance plays an important role with respect to data management. Data governance establishes the structure of authority over your data assets. Data governance provides the oversight, direction, and leadership of your data management program. Data management provides the execution. Data governance includes data strategy, data corporate policies, a common data architecture, and data quality standards. Data governance sets these things at the high level, at the strategic level. Data governance requires C-level commitment, leadership, and participation, or it will be doomed to fail. This means you need to have the highest level executive sponsorship for your data governance program to succeed. Data architecture, which is established by the data governance level, provides a blueprint for the overall map of data assets, and it aligns this plan with overall organizational objectives. Data architecture provides the linchpin between business strategy and technology. It helps define how this strategy will be structured technically in the organization. Data architecture aligns with enterprise architecture for a consistent approach and fit in the organization. Metadata management is another key component to data management. It provides the data's shared context in the organization. In essence, it is the shared language of the organization. Data integration tools provide for the processing, loading, and aggregating of data. Data modeling tools provide a picture of data assets and a plan for how these assets fit together. Data quality is another important component. It cannot be an afterthought in the process. We cannot hire a data janitor to clean up the data garbage. Garbage in and garbage out is not good enough. We need to do better and plan for success. In order for data to be of high quality, quality must be baked into the business process and the systems. This has to be a deliberate, planned effort, not an accidental consequence of what was done before. And then we put all of this together. At the highest level, we find data governance. Data governance provides the oversight or the leadership. Within data governance, we find strategy. We also find data policies, data architecture, and data quality standards. Below this, we find the data management piece, which provides the execution. Within data management, we find programs, we find our business glossary, we find our data processing, and we find our data quality piece. Now, these are all tied together with the tools. And the tools are our metadata management tool, which ties our business glossary back to our policies. Data integration and data modeling tools tie our data processing back to our architecture. And data quality tools tie our quality back to the data quality back to our standards, data quality standards. Now within these, we have a little bit of action between these tools. We have lineage provided between our glossary and our data processing. So many tools will provide lineage through the data integration pieces to show us in the glossary where our data is going and where our data is coming from. We also have data quality control pieces that will be part of our data integration tool so we can apply data quality standards to data that is being processed at runtime. So this is an overall view of how our data management program might look and how the various different tools in that program will fit together. I hope you have enjoyed today's presentation and found it informative and helpful for your understanding of data management. Check back or subscribe to hear more about data management topics. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope to see you again soon.